Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 2. Today we are learning about variables and data types. These are the building blocks of every Python program. A variable is like a container that stores a value. In Python, you create variables by simply assigning a value with the equal sign. Let us create some variables. We will make a string called name and set it to Alice. Now an integer called age set to 25. A floating point number for height. And a boolean for is student set to true. Now we print each variable to see its value. Python has several basic data types. Strings hold text, integers hold whole numbers, floats hold decimal numbers, and booleans hold true or false. Use the type function to check any variable type. The name variable is a string shown as class str. Age is an integer, class int. Height is a float for decimal numbers. And is student is a boolean, class bool. Python uses dynamic typing. This means a variable can change its type. You do not declare types like in other languages. Python figures it out automatically. Watch how variable x can hold different types. First, it is an integer. Now we assign a string. The type changes. We can even assign a list. None represents the absence of a value. Use is none to check for none. Let us recap what we learned. Variables store values with the equals sign. Python has 4 basic types: strings, integers, floats, and booleans. Use the type function to check a variable type. And dynamic typing in Python lets variables change types. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore string operations.